You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content just like this. Welcome to this comprehensive review of Envision Credit Repair. We'll be exploring the program's features, understanding its purpose, and identifying who can benefit the most. If you're interested in learning more or signing up, you can find helpful links in the description below. Envision Credit Repair is a service dedicated to helping individuals improve their credit standing. They achieve this by targeting inaccuracies, errors, and other issues that negatively impact credit scores. This service is particularly valuable for those feeling overwhelmed by the often complex world of credit repair, or for those who simply lack the time and expertise to effectively manage disputes with creditors and credit bureaus on their own. A key feature that sets Envision Credit Repair apart is its personalized approach. Upon signing up, clients receive a comprehensive credit analysis that pinpoints the specific factors affecting their credit scores. Using this analysis, Envision's team of credit experts develops a customized plan to dispute errors, negotiate with creditors, and ultimately enhance your overall credit profile. The service prioritizes the removal of inaccurate late payments, charge-offs, collections, and other negative marks, all of which can significantly elevate your credit score over time. Beyond dispute resolution, Envision equips clients with valuable tools and educational resources to cultivate a deeper understanding of credit management. This includes practical guidance on maintaining healthy financial habits, such as minimizing credit utilization, consistently paying bills on time, and avoiding unnecessary debt accumulation. These tips are indispensable for clients seeking not only to repair their credit but also to build a secure financial foundation for the future. This service is a suitable option for individuals grappling with credit challenges, such as being denied loans, credit cards, or mortgages due to low credit scores. It's also an excellent choice for those navigating the recovery process from financial setbacks like bankruptcy or foreclosure. Envision Credit Repair offers competitive monthly pricing, making it accessible to a wide range of individuals. Furthermore, they don't require long-term contracts, providing the flexibility to cancel at any time. If you're prepared to take the first step towards improving your credit with the guidance of seasoned professionals, Envision Credit Repair represents a strong option. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more detailed information and embark on your journey to better credit today.